Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MBOT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the monster movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and this was all occurring on well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on it going forward. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk levels of resistance. The level of support that really stands out to me, and that a whole lot of people are going to be watching going forward. So this is not like some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, people that understand charts and use charts are going to be watching this 1525 mark, because there's two separate occasions, first time here and then the second time right there, where the price came down to that area and it held. So there's a lot of people that now have taken notice of this and are wondering, all right, that's very clearly a level of support. Is this area going to continue to hold? And I go through all that because when a lot of people and a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's exactly what we have here with 1525. So you're going to have longs, you're going to have shorts, and everybody in between watching this area wondering if it's going to present some sort of way to fit into their trade plan. So keep a very close eye on that. And the other reason why it's an interesting area is, if that level does not hold up, then really next level of support, not until down around $11. Now, don't get me wrong. I am not saying that a 1525 fails, that within 20 minutes, the price is down there at 11. My point is you just look through the history of the chart, and there just simply isn't any other data points. And that's always the catch-22. When you have big surges upwards, it does create some pretty big spaces between areas of support. So that's another dynamic a whole lot of people are going to be watching about, or wondering about. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm more so kind of just curious about this general overall trend line here. See if the price can get any sort of breaks above that area. If there is a good, solid, high volume break of that trend line, no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price then, give $20 another run for its money. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, crazy movement today, and it'll be interesting to see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.